Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm testing a brand new AI video tool called Higgsfield. And honestly, this one is interesting because it gives you access to multiple powerful AI models all in one place. We are talking about Nano Banana Pro, K-Link 2.6 Audio, Van 2.5 and Cinema Studio all in one website. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they work, how they generate some cinematic shots and give you my honest thoughts about all these things. So quick intro. Higgsfield is an AI video generation platform that focuses on cinematic quality. Unlike normal AI generators, you can see their main website here. This lets you mix different models for different results. Like you can do text to video, image to video, audio synced videos and full cinematic sequences. And the good thing is everything is inside one workflow. No jumping between different websites or apps like here or there. So if you scroll the website, you can see their amazing website, and I can't count all these things in one small video. So you can see they have a lot of features they are offering on their website. So you can visit their website for more details. So in this part we are going to explore the Nano Banana Pro. Let's move to it. And here you can see its beautiful screen where you can uh, generate your images. You can give your prompt. Let's describe the scenes. Let's test it. uh, Please find the attached image and convert it to a person standing in front of ocean and enjoying the weather. So let's attach the image. For the time being, I have these images. Let's select this one, and for the quality we can select 4K, and for the ratio we can select 9:16. And okay, then we can go to generate it. Let's wait for the result. I think the result will take a little bit time, so I'm going to pause the video here. Once the image is created, I'll the result back. You can see my image is being converted what I have defined in the prompt, and it's amazing, and it created it very nicely. So what I'm going, we can download it, we can regenerate it, we can add it to the folder, and we can publish it on different areas. So I can download it. So in this way we can use Nano Banana Pro in very efficient way, and I'm very amazed with this result. Now we will move to the video section, and we will use the K-Link for cinematic videos with audio. Let's move there. So first of all we will upload the image. So let's select the image. For the time being I have this image. uh, it's uploading. Let's define our prompt here. Use the attached image and show how I am excited and happy with the results of Higgsfield. This way we can enhance it with AI. Enhance is on and off. Audio we can switch on audio and off it. So let's on it. We have selected the K-Link 2.6 model. Its duration is 10 seconds, and let's click the generate. We can change these things as well here for the background or something, like to give an idea about what we are uh, it's serving as a template for the video creation. Okay, let's generate it. So it's generating the video. Let's cross it. It's in the queue. It will take a little bit time because it's about 10 seconds, a video of 10 seconds. It has audio on. So it's creating the video. So I'm pausing the video here again. It's created. Let's play it.
I can't believe it. The results of Higgsfield are incredible. This is exactly what we hoped for.
Wow, this is cool. Notice how the model automatically adds ambiences, footstep sounds, or the background sounds, environmental audio. You don't have to add sounds later. It's built in. This is great for storytellers and vlog style contents. And I'm very shocked by the K-Link 2.6 audio and video results. So that's all for it. Now we will move to our next part, our next feature, which is Cinema Studio, and this one is my favorite one. It works like an actual filmmaking tool. You choose a single frame and then the system turns it into a full video sequence. So let's try with it. Basically, I have already pasted the script here, the prompt here, selected the video, and then I have selected this first frame and last frame for the video. So to make the video shorter, I have already done that part. So let's play the video. What it has generated, you can see. uh, this video is totally created from these two frames. You can see how beautifully it has converted those images into a nice video. You can see the results. It's perfect. It's amazing. So honestly, the interface is beginner friendly, but the results feel professional overall. The biggest advantage is that all models are in one place, so you don't need to separate different separate accounts. Nano Banana Pro is best for image qualities. King K-Link 2.6 audio is amazing for combined audio and video. Van 2.5 is fun for action scenes, and Cinema Studio is perfect for all these video creation things. So this is all for this video. I will put all the details related to Higgsfield in the description. Do visit the site and do try it. See you next time. Bye bye.